Have you ever seen a big tall building? These towering structures are marvels of modern engineering and design. Construction workers build all sorts of amazing things. From the foundations to the rooftops, they work tirelessly to bring blueprints to life. They use math and measuring every day. Precision is key in construction, and every measurement must be exact to ensure the building stands strong and safe. Let's learn about construction math together. It's fun and helpful. Understanding these concepts can help us build something amazing, just like the professionals do. We can build houses, towers, and even bridges. Each type of structure has its own unique challenges and requires different skills and techniques. But first, we need to learn the secrets of construction math. Are you ready? This knowledge is the foundation of all great construction projects. Let's put on our imaginary hard hats and get started. With the right tools and knowledge, we can build anything we dream of. Let's dive into the world of construction and see what we can create together. Imagine you have a big box of building blocks. These blocks come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and they are perfect for building anything you can dream of. But how do you know which block to use where? How do you make sure your tower won't topple over? How do you know if a block will fit on top of another? You measure it. Measuring helps you understand the dimensions of each block. You can see if one block is longer, shorter, or the same size as another. This way you can plan your building project better. Measuring tells us how long, tall, or wide something is. It gives us the exact numbers we need to make sure everything fits perfectly. Whether you're using a ruler, a tape measure, or even a piece of string, measuring is the key to precision. We can measure things with our hands, our feet, or even our steps. These are simple ways to get an idea of size and distance. For example, you might use your hand to see if a block is about the same length as your fingers, or use your feet to measure how far you need to walk. But for building, we use special tools to measure things accurately. Tools like rulers, tape measures, and even laser measures help us get the exact dimensions we need. These tools are designed to give us precise measurements so that everything fits together just right. Accurate measuring helps us build things that are strong and safe. When we measure carefully, we can create structures that are stable and reliable. Whether you're building a simple block tower or a complex construction project, accurate measurements are essential for success. Construction workers have cool tools. A ruler is like a straight stick with numbers. It helps us measure short things. A measuring tape is like a long, bendy ruler. It helps us measure bigger things. These tools help us measure the length, height, and width of things. They're like magic wands for builders. By using them correctly, we can make sure everything fits perfectly. Section 4. Building blocks of math: length, height, and more. We've learned about length, but there's more. Height tells us how tall something is, like a tower. Width tells us how wide something is, like a door. Knowing these measurements helps us build things that are the right size and shape. It's like solving a puzzle. Math helps us create amazing structures, from small houses to giant skyscrapers. Section 5. The importance of measuring, building it right. Why is measuring so important in construction? It's a fundamental step that ensures everything fits together perfectly. Without precise measurements, the entire structure could be compromised. Well, imagine building a house with walls that are too short or a roof that's too small. The consequences would be disastrous. Uneven walls could lead to structural weaknesses, and a mismatched roof could result in leaks and other issues. The house wouldn't be safe. It could collapse or become a hazard to anyone living inside. Safety is paramount in construction, and accurate measurements are the foundation of that safety. Measuring helps us build things that are strong, safe, and look amazing. It ensures that every component fits together seamlessly, creating a structure that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So next time you see a construction worker, remember the magic of math and measuring at work. These professionals use a variety of tools and techniques to ensure that every measurement is precise and accurate. Fun fact: did you know that the tallest building in the world is called the Burj Khalifa, and it's super tall, like reaching for the clouds? This architectural marvel stands at an astonishing height of 828 meters, and its construction required meticulous measurements and planning to achieve such grandeur.